The menstrual cycle is controlled by hormones released from the ovary and the pituitary gland in the brain. Estrogen levels rise from day 1 to peak just before day 14, right over here. So, this is the estrogen line. This causes the uterine wall to start thickening and the egg to mature. Now, the peak in estrogen occurs just before the egg is released. Progesterone stays low from day 1 to 14 and starts to rise right over here after day 1 to 14. Now this increasing level causes the uterine lining to thicken further. Now a fall in progesterone levels causes the uterine lining to break down. So this is menstruation. FSH hormone is released by the pituitary gland and causes the egg to start maturing in the ovary. It stimulates the ovaries to start releasing estrogen. The pituitary gland is stimulated to release luteinizing hormone when estrogen levels have reached their peak. So, when estrogen levels have reached their peak, LH is released. LH causes ovulation to occur and also stimulates the ovaries to produce progesterone.